Hi guys, my name is Ravindra. Today we are going to see some green trees and nature. See guys, we are seeing some uh, trees. See one building in construction. See how beautiful is this. You know this place name? Today is very sunny day and windy also. See guys, we are coming from Urpi Garden. See guys, I will show you all angle. Guys, how many cars are there in total? You can count and say me in comment. See guys, truck is coming. So guys, truck came. We are going. See guys, one truck is there. We are going. We are going in road. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe.